Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can export your sheets on Smartsheet in PDF format, for example, as PDF documents. So let us dive right into it. So let's assume, guys, you would like to export or save one of your project sheets from Smartsheet in PDF and save it as a document on your device. And this is how you can do it. Head over to your project sheet or inside your workspace on Smartsheet. Let me navigate to this untitled sheet here for the sake of this tutorial. And all that will be needed to do, guys, is simply to hover your mouse over the given sheet within your list of workspace items here. Click into these three dots, and after that, hover your mouse over export and select your export file format like PDF in this case here, but you may also go for Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, and that's basically it. Click into PDF, and after that, you will see that PDF setup here, guys. For example, you may choose a paper size, margins, switch between a landscape and portrait orientation. The scaling can be adjusted. You may add a note, of course, also to go through these options here and to include the logo, the sheet name, the row numbers, the data and timestamp, and so on and so forth. So if you're okay with that PDF setup, click into OK, and that is going to create a PDF for you. And there you go. As you can see, your sheet has been saved in PDF file format, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.